Hey everyone, Riley here from LeaderPro, the #1 software marketplace connecting buyers with sellers of software solutions instantly. Today, we're covering how to automatically export Google Maps search results. Alright, so let's say your target audience is local businesses. Obviously, you can email them and find their contact info, but another thing you can do is if the business is small, then sometimes the contact phone number will be the number of the person who makes the decision. And one example is Google Maps. Just imagine that you're targeting CrossFit gyms and it might take you a long time to manually collect the contact info one by one. But in PhantomBuster, there is a way to actually export all of your Google search results onto a spreadsheet, so you do not have to do this manually. It is important to keep in mind that Google Maps only shows you the first 200 results, so if you want to have the full coverage, it would be best if you focused on neighborhoods. Then you can combine them together at the end to get the full coverage. But to get this started, there's a solution in PhantomBuster called Google Map Search Export, so click on that. And basically all you need is the link from the Google search. That's really all you need. If you want to export multiple search results, you can put it on a spreadsheet and place that link to the spreadsheet instead. But for now, I'm just going to place in the link of my Google search results. And then just put in the column header name, or if you don't want to put in the column header name, just put all the links under the first column. That way PhantomBuster will default to the first column. But in our case, we're just doing one search, so the Google search URL is good enough. And the next step is the behavior. So leave the behavior for browser language empty. It will just default to English. And this you can also leave empty if you want to process everything all at once, and usually that's how that's done, because it will give you the results fast. You can also add the number of search results to scrape, but usually just leave this empty and it will process as many as it can. Like we said, Google Maps only shows you the first 200 results, so if you leave that empty, it will just attempt to process all 200. And then in here, just put your result file name. And the last thing is the frequency. If you are trying to process everything all at once, you can probably just ignore the setting here. But if you want to run this frequently, then select whatever frequency you want it to run at. And after this, you just hit launch, and the data it will give you will include the business name, phone numbers, hours, etc. However, it won't give you the email address. That will be a different PhantomBuster solution. Anyways, this is how to export search results for Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials.
Join LeaderPro today.